English into Karbi translation. I wake up early. I wake up early. Ni thoda prang. Ni thoda prang. I wash my face. I wash my face. Ni mahang ching mur. Ni mahang ching mur. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Ni so ching thi. Ni so ching thi. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. Ni so kecho. Ni so kecho. I woke up late yesterday. I woke up late yesterday. Ni patumi thoder chat. Ni patumi thoder chat. She called my name. She called my name. Alang li ne men nang hang. Alang li ne men nang hang. I see him every day. I see him every day. Ne alang li phanar ni wangta theglong wer. Ne alang li phanar ni wangta theglong wer. She speaks very slowly. She speaks very slowly. Alang li kaning je England pig. Alang li kaning je England pig. He was sitting near me. He was sitting near me. Alang li nidung si kang ni. Alang li nidung si kang ni. I saw her smiling. I saw her smiling. Ni alang li phan ing nek hing si ke thek long. Ni alang li phan ing nek hing si ke thek long. We should leave early. We should leave early. Itum barda prangnang po. Itum barda prangnang po. I went to the market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. Ne patumi hithidam. Ne patumi hithidam. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.